Hey guys, Travis from ChordBuddy here. We got Veterans Day just around the corner, and I wanted to do a special song, teach it to you on ChordBuddy, which I invented. It's training wheels for the guitar. It's probably hands down the best way if you're a beginner learning guitar to learn without frustration. And 70% quit because they get frustrated, but not with ChordBuddy. We teach you just pushing buttons to start with, learning your rhythm and timing, and then you remove this and start making the chords, removing the tabs one at a time. So, easiest way in the world to learn guitar, and you can be playing this song today. So, it's Veterans Day, and so on a serious note, keep veterans in mind. We're in a tough place right now, guys, worldwide. So just be mindful of that, be prayerful of that, and thank a veteran when you see them, okay? So let's do this song. It's America the Beautiful. There's one chord that ChordBuddy can't do, and it's an A chord. So it uses G, C, and D. It's got a D7, but just use a D for that. It's basically the same chord. The A I can't play, so I'll just be stopping and singing through that. And but otherwise, ChordBuddy plays America the Beautiful, beautiful. So here we go. And I'll be doing some picking, and I'll be doing some strumming, and so I'm just going to play it, all right? And then you can look this up, by the way. I use it every day. It's called Tabs, Ultimate Guitar Tabs. There's a paid version, a free version. I don't get a dime off either of them. I just use it, and I've used it for years. Tabs is the name of the app, okay? Here we go. Oh, beautiful, for spacious skies, for amber waves of grain, for purple mountains, majesty above the fruited plain. America, America, God shed his grace on thee and crown thy good with brotherhood from sea to shining sea. Happy Veterans Day, and thank you, veterans, for what you've done for us, keeping our active service members in mind also. God bless. Take care.